Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Cold War on Steam Deck. First, you'll need to prepare your Steam Deck by ensuring you have ample storage, ideally at least 64 gigabytes, for a Windows installation. You'll also need a USB-C hub and an external USB drive with at least 16 gigabytes of space. Next, download the official Windows installation media creation tool on another computer. Use this tool to create a bootable Windows installation drive on your external USB drive. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth setup. Now, let's get Windows installed. Connect your bootable Windows USB drive to your Steam Deck using the USB-C hub. Power down your Steam Deck completely. Then, hold the volume down button and the power button together until you hear a chime and see the boot manager. Select your USB drive from the menu to start the Windows installation. Follow the straightforward on-screen instructions, making sure to choose the correct drive partition for Windows. This step is essential for running Call of Duty Cold War. With Windows up and running, it's time to get Call of Duty Cold War. First, download and install the Battle.net desktop application. Once installed, log into your existing Battle.net account or create a new one if needed. Navigate to the Call of Duty Cold War game page within the Battle.net launcher. From there, simply initiate the download and installation of the game onto your Steam Deck's Windows partition. This process might take some time, depending on your internet speed and the game's size, which is typically over 100 gigabytes. To ensure the best experience, optimize your Steam Deck. Install the latest graphics drivers for your AMD APU within Windows to maximize performance. Adjust in-game graphics settings, often favoring lower options like medium or low, to achieve a stable frame rate, aiming for at least 30 frames per second. Utilize Steam Input or other mapping software to customize your Steam Deck's controls for comfortable gameplay. For competitive play or easier menu navigation, consider connecting an external mouse and keyboard. These steps will significantly enhance your Call of Duty Cold War experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.